Looking for a houseplant that's easy to care for and visually stunning? Meet the Tradescantia Fluminensis Quadricolour, also called the inch plant or wandering dude. Its quadricolor name comes from leaves splashed with green, cream, pink, and purple. Each leaf is a unique masterpiece, swirling with vibrant color. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned plant lovers. Very forgiving and quick to show you what it needs. This plant grows fast, making it lively and responsive in your home. Young plants are bushy, but mature ones cascade beautifully, ideal for hanging baskets or shelves. Its ever-changing foliage ensures there's always something new to admire. Place it where its colorful vines can hang down and brighten your room. The Tradescantia Quadricolour, easy, beautiful, and endlessly fascinating. To care for your Tradescantia, it helps to know its roots, literally. Native to the rainforests of Brazil and Argentina, this plant once sprawled across the damp, shaded forest floor. In the wild, it forms dense mats under the canopy, thriving in bright, filtered light and humidity. The quadricolour is a cultivated variety, bred for its spectacular four-color leaves. It needs a bit more light than its all-green relatives to keep those pinks and creams vibrant. Recreate its rainforest home with bright, indirect light, some humidity, and rich, well-draining soil. With the right care, your Tradescantia will reward you with vibrant, ever-changing foliage. Celebrate its journey from rainforest to your living room. The quadricolour name says it all. This plant flaunts 4 distinct colors on every leaf. Deep green, creamy white, blush pink, and hints of lilac or purple appear in random artistic patterns. No 2 leaves are ever the same, making each plant a one-of-a-kind display. The secret is chimeral variegation. Some cells make green chlorophyll, others don't, and pinks and purples come from special pigments. Bright, indirect light brings out the most vibrant colors, so your care directly shapes its look. Compared to other Tradescantia varieties, the quadricolour's soft, blended hues create a delicate watercolor effect. Its unpredictable patterns make it a collector's favorite and a standout in any plant collection. The variegation is what makes it special, and a bit more delicate. The white and pink areas can't photosynthesize, so the green parts work harder. Without enough light, the plant may produce more green leaves to survive. To keep your quadricolour looking its best, give it plenty of bright, indirect light. This plant is a living mood ring, reflecting its environment and your care. Its ever-changing appearance keeps things interesting. The quadricolour is both a challenge and a delight for plant lovers. Its beauty is a reward for attentive care. With the right conditions, it will thrive and dazzle you year-round. Let its colors brighten your home and your day. Let's zoom in on the Tradescantia quadricolour's details. The small lance-shaped leaves are smooth and slightly fleshy, storing a bit of water for resilience. Each leaf is a unique blend of green, cream, pink, and purple. No 2 are alike. New growth often shows the brightest pinks and purples, especially with good light. In lower light, green dominates as the plant maximizes photosynthesis. The stems are slender and flexible, with visible nodes where new leaves emerge. The plant's trailing habit makes it perfect for hanging baskets or high shelves. As it matures, stems cascade down, creating a waterfall of color. Occasionally, you'll spot small, 3-petaled white flowers. Simple, but a sign your plant is thriving. The rapid cascading growth adds energy and movement to any room. Its ever-changing patterns invite you to look closer every day. The quadricolour's foliage is the star, but its blooms are a charming bonus. This plant truly brings life and color to your space. Caring for a Tradescantia quadricolour is simple if you follow a few key tips. Place it in bright, indirect light. An east-facing window or a spot near a bright window is ideal. If the pink and cream fade, move it to a brighter spot. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid letting it sit in water to prevent root rot. Use a well-draining potting mix. Add perlite or orchid bark for extra drainage. Repot only when root-bound, usually every year or 2. Keep it in typical household temperatures, between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. Average humidity is fine, but a little extra moisture, like misting or a pebble tray, can help. The plant is forgiving, but consistent care keeps it looking its best. Underwatering is safer than overwatering. Soft leaves mean it's thirsty. Good drainage is your best defense against problems. With the right light, water, and soil, your quadricolour will thrive. It's a low-maintenance plant that rewards you with vibrant growth. Follow these basics and you'll enjoy a healthy, colorful display. One of the joys of Tradescantia is how easy it is to propagate. Take a healthy stem cutting just below a node, about 4–6 inches long. Root it in water or directly in moist soil. Roots appear in a week or two. Use cuttings to fill out your plant or share with friends. If your plant gets leggy, it's reaching for more light. Move it to a brighter spot and prune back stems. Pruning encourages bushier growth, and the trimmings can be propagated. Watch for pests like spider mites or aphids, especially under leaves and at stem joints. If you spot pests, rinse them off or use insecticidal soap or neem oil. Healthy plants are less prone to pests, so keep up with good care. Leggy growth and faded colors are usually signs of low light. Regular pruning keeps your plant compact and attractive. Tradescantia is resilient. Most problems are easy to fix. Propagation is a fun way to multiply your collection. With a little attention, your quadricolor will stay lush and vibrant. Troubleshooting is simple, making this plant perfect for all skill levels. The Tradescantia Quadricolour is a decorator's dream. Its trailing vines and vibrant colors add instant style to any room. Hang it in a basket to create a living waterfall, or let it spill from a high shelf for a soft, elegant touch. Its colors pop against neutral walls and complement pink or green decor. Choose a simple pot to let the foliage shine, or pick a colorful one to match the leaves. Use it as a spiller in mixed arrangements for a professional look. Its fast growth quickly fills out any display. For beginners, it's rewarding and easy. For collectors, its ever-changing variegation is a delight. The quadricolor brings joy, color, and energy to any space. It fits in small apartments or lush indoor jungles alike. If you want a plant with big visual impact and little fuss, this is it. Let the Tradescantia Quadricolor transform your home with its living artistry.